Hi guys, welcome to Enlightened Traders. And as you can see on the 21st of May, it has been a huge consolidation in the Bank Nifty. So the resistance was very nearby, and the resistance can also take a support here. So it was quite in a consolidation mode. And on the 25th of May, the Bank Nifty started a gap up, but with a huge selling candle. It has been in a range from quite a time. So I did not take any trade in the morning, and I was waiting for a quite good opportunity. So at this time, you can see I have already drawn the lines before. At this time you can see that there is a triangle pattern formation at the afternoon time. So what I have done was, you can see here, it was a quite big engulfing candle. So I thought at this breakout, the breakout has been done, and took a long trade. Like long means I have shorted a put option here, and you can see that I have short at the time of, you can see here, like 1305. And coming to the put option, you can see here like 1305. Yeah, at this levels I have went to a short position in the 150 quantity. So as the trade goes further, I have seen that it is a breakout failure, and it is going towards the downside. So what I have done was, uh, wait a minute. So at this levels I know that it is going to opposite my trade. So I have started to firefight with this. Like uh, at at these levels, actually I want to go long on the same put option by taking the cover order in double the quantity of 300, but by mistake it has placed the MIS order triggered, and 300 in 300 quantity, 150 quantity buy positions were done, and the net positions were 150 on the buy side. So I realized it and added some more 150 positions at this candle high. So there was a huge rally of the shorts. The stop losses were hidden, like in this place the seller stop losses were hidden. So I was waiting, and at this moment I have exited my trade here, because there was a quite good profit in this. So at this breakout, and you can see here it has came near the box also, so this can act as a support. So I have exited at these positions, as you can see here, and after that, uh, the Bank Nifty has given a huge rally, and if I would have not exited at these positions, I would occur in a big losses. Like waiting in a trade and holding the winning positions is not good at sometimes. And you can see the fall has become very drastically, you can see here, and it hasn't come to my levels at any time further. So at this trade you can learn that you should exit the trade at the correct time and at the correct pace, and do not take an entry again until and unless you don't see the good opportunity. Okay guys, thank you. And before going, and this is the profit I have done on that day. You can see here on 9,000 rupees, 8,200 rupees. You can see here this is the H position, and this is a long position, you can see here. So this is the profit guys, thank you.